on, Dad.
Come on, Dad.
He's right here. He ain't far down. I got a butt right here. I gotta get this thing. Right, come on. All right, that's good. All right, pull him over here to me. That's good.
This big one. Oh my God!
Oh my.
Wow.
Wow!
Devin, watch out.
Just Blaze. Oh, baby.
We're all tied up. Oh, we're all tied up.
Kayla. Chill with the screechy voice.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's J Bizzy, C Bizzy, A Boogie, G Money, and C Biz. And we're all here together and we're gonna go kayaking. So let's see how this goes. Woohoo! Get this done, son.
What's ramming everybody? Look at the needle.
Hi, friends. Hi, gotcha. Do you mind?
Bend the needle.
No. Yes.
Come on, Kayla. You got it.
I think the back.
We're out here skipping rocks again. Whoa.
Go. Tina.
Sheena.
Might be able to break it on this thing though. Watch out. Trying to do some stupid shit.
Oh my God. So they're trying to make it from that stick to the bridge.
I'm not the best pitcher either, so we'll do good.
This place is so cool. We got our fishing nets. Ooh, there's a little bunker in here. And we're off. We're off.
Provider.
Yeah, Dev.
Where? WTF?
Where the fish?
Can't believe you didn't bring that t-shirt.
Come on, Dev. You got it.
Yell if you need help.
Oh, I got a
Oh! I got it on video too, Dev.
Oh yeah, don't reel anymore. You're at the top.
Dad, I caught a fish for you.
Throw one in.
I like that. I like that.
Baby catching any fish. Get it, get it. I think he knows what to do.
That's pretty.
That's so cool.
You're out.
He got the fin.
Came out of his hole.
He got the fin.
Reel it. Nothing?
You robbed me.
Hard, buddy.
Come on, Chris.
You got it.
Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris. Keep going.
Sorry,
Right, you're cool.
Stay there, George.
Sorry.
Okay, watch yourself right here.
Oh, he's got a whole big one? What's he got?
Right here, he's 10 foot away. Don't hit my line.
You got it, Chris.
Alright, over here. Alright, little guy.
Little?
Little guy.
It's pretty big.
Little guy.
Wow.
Good one. Good one.
Wow.
They get bigger than that.
Look at him.
Nice one though.
Ooh, nice one.
What is this? The Robbie dinner? Here. See one? Alright, hold on. Get it out of the gunnel for me and give me some slack. I need to get the hook out of there.
You gotta, Chris, you gotta.
Okay, there's your hook right there.
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, you want to take a picture of it? Or
Oh, pop
keep,
out.
let's keep on dropping.
Yeah.
Chris, Devin needs to. You want me to hold your bowl?
What about flat line? You want to come flat line a giant, Robbie?
Go, Dev.
Reel it, Dev.
Reel it, Dev. Reel it, reel it, reel it.
Oh, watch the tip.
Got both my bait.
Get it over there.
Hey.
Turn right. Keep your own boat. Bow, hook, turn right. Right here. Double right. Oh, what do you got? Big This way, Bubba. Pull him over here. Come on, Will.
You got it, Dad.
Crank that handle. Turn his head. There you go. Get line back on him. Punch him in the mouth.
Yeah.
No. Reel. You got real tight, Bubba.
Come on, Dad.
Come on, Dad.
He's right here. He ain't far down. I got a boat right here. I gotta get this thing. Right, come on. All right, that's good. All right, pull him over here to me. Hold on, he's up good.
This big one.
Oh my God.
Oh my.
Wow.
Wow.
Devin, watch out.
I like to party right